Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. For today, we're going to make 3-ingredient fruit salad. This is good for 8 persons. The ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching. We only need 3 ingredients for this. Drain the juice from the fruit cocktail. Pour the fruit cocktail in a strainer. Set aside. Mix the all-purpose cream and the condensed milk in a bowl. Mix them well. Mix all together the drained fruit cocktail, condensed milk, and all-purpose cream. Transfer the fruit salad in a container. Refrigerate the fruit salad for at least 3 hours. And there you have it, 3-ingredient fruit salad. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!